So, good morning, students. As you know, we are studying trigonometrical equation. We have solved so many questions. Today, I am here with some new problems. See the first question. Solve 2 cos square x plus 3 sin x is equal to 0. So, cos square x should be written as 1 minus sin square x plus 3 sin x equals to 0. Open the bracket, means 2 minus 2 sin square x plus 3 sin x equals to 0, or multiply both sides by minus 1, then it should be written as 2 sin square x minus 3 sin x plus 2. After rearranging the term, this equation becomes quadratic equation in sin x. So simplify this one either by quadratic formula or by splitting middle term. So when you split its middle term, then it should be written as 2 sin square x minus 4 sin x plus sin x plus 2 is equal to 0. It means minus 3 sin x should be written as minus 4 sin x plus sin x, or further 2 sin x should taken as common. So it is sin x minus 2, and this 2 becomes negative after multiplying minus 1, plus 1 should taken as common. Sin x minus 2 is equals to 0. Further, we have sin x minus 2 into 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0. See, the product of two terms is 0, which is possible only when either sin x minus 2 is equal to 0 or 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, we may write sin x minus 2 equals to 0 or 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0. So children, when sin x minus 2 equal to 0, it means sin x is equal to 2, which is not possible because the greatest value of sin x is 1. So we write here this value is not possible. Now when 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0, it means sin x should equals to minus 1 by 2 or minus sin pi by 6. Pi by 6 is 1 by 2. So minus sin theta, sin minus theta will be minus sin theta. So we also write it as sin x is equals to sin minus pi by 6. Sin minus theta is minus sin theta. Here theta is equals to pi by 6. So sin theta equal to sin alpha, then write its general solution. So its solution is x is equals to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into minus pi by 6 1 minus is already here and minus 1 to the power n is here, so we write it as n pi plus minus 1 to the power n plus 1 pi by 6. So the general solution, therefore general solution is x is equals to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n plus 1 into pi by 6. In this way we solve the equation. See another question. Your next question is sec square 2x is equals to 1 minus tan 2x. So solve it. Your only question is solve it. Sec square theta, you know sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So sec square 2x should be written as 1 plus tan square 2x is equals to 1 minus tan 2x. Now transfer both terms of RHS into left side. So it should be written as 1 plus tan square 2x minus 1 plus tan 2x is equals to 0. This one left side becomes negative and this is already negative, so it is positive. 1 and 1 should cancel here. Now we have tan square 2x plus tan 2x. Take out tan 2x as common. So we have tan 2x plus 1. Tan 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Again, one term is tan 2x, another one is tan 2x plus 1. Product of both term is 0, which means any one of them should be 0. So either tan 2x is equals to 0 or tan 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So when tan 2x is equal to 0, it means 2x is equals to n pi, its general solution. And here we may write tan 2x should equals to tan 2x should equals to minus 1. So minus 1 is value of 3 pi by 4. So from here tan 2x is equals to tan 3 pi by 4. Now write also general solution of this value. From here we get x is equal to n pi by 2 as a solution, and from here it means second part 2x is equals to n pi plus 3 pi by 4, and further x is equals to n pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 8. This is your general solution. So children, in this way we solve the different types of problem. Write down one more question. Your next question is solve I am going to write here. Solve tan x plus tan 2x plus tan x into tan 2x is equals to 1. In this equation, tan x plus tan 2x plus tan x into tan 2x, tan x into tan 2x is equal to 1. In very first step, this term should brought into right side. So it should be written as tan x plus tan 2x plus tan is equals to 1 minus tan x into tan 2x. Now this term within bracket into left side comes into denominator like this one, tan x plus tan 2x divided by 1 minus tan x into tan 2x. Right side it should be also 1. So children, this left side terms is according to the formula of tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. It means it should be equals to tan x plus tan 2x. It should be equals to tan x plus 2x is equals to 1. Further, tan x plus 2x means tan 3x is equals to 1. 1 is value of tan pi by 4, tan 45 degree, that is pi by 4, which is equals to 1. Now write its general solution. So the solution will be 3x is equals to n pi plus pi by 4, and hence x is equals to n pi by 3, x is equals to n pi by 3 plus pi by 12. This is general solution of such type of problems which we have solved it. So children, after these problems we are in position to solve more questions. So now let us see some more higher level questions from trigonometrical equation. Write down. Your next question is solve tan square x into tan square 3x into tan 4x is equals to tan square x minus tan square 3x plus tan 4x. See the question carefully. Students, see the question carefully. Solve the equation tan square x into tan square 3x into tan 4x, it is not square, is equals to tan square x minus tan square 3x plus tan 4x. In very first step, transfer these two terms into left side, and this term, this is only one term, into right side. So this term into left side should be written as tan square 3x minus tan square x. This becomes negative and this will be positive. And in right side, first of all write down that term tan 4x minus tan square 3x into tan square x into tan 4x. So in the right side terms, take out tan 4x as a common. Means it should be written as tan square 3x minus tan square x. Take out tan 4x as common, then the term within bracket should be 1 minus tan square 3x into tan square x. Now write this terms within bracket into left side. So in left side it will come in division. Hence tan 4x should be written as tan square 3x minus tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square 3x into tan square x. So write down it according to formula of a square minus b square, means it should be written as a plus b into a minus b, means tan 3x plus tan x, a plus b into a minus b, tan 3x minus tan x. And same thing is applied into RHS. A square minus b square, that is a minus b into a plus b. So it should be written as a minus b, means 1 minus tan 3x into tan x. Here 1 plus tan 3x into tan x. A minus b and a plus b. So further tan 4x in left side should be equals to C, tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a plus 1 minus tan a into tan b. So this is formula for tan a plus b, means tan 3x plus x. Similarly, tan a minus tan b into divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b is the formula for tan a minus b, means 3x minus x. So tan 4x should now equals to tan 4x into tan 2x. So now this term into right side becomes negative. So we should write tan 4x into tan 2x minus tan 4x equals to 0. Take tan 4x as common. So take out common. So the terms within bracket is tan 2x minus 1. Again see, the product of two terms becomes 0, which is possible only when either of them is 0. So either tan 4x equals to 0 or tan 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So tan 4x equal to 0 means 4x is equal to n pi, and tan 2x minus 1 equal to 0 means tan 2x is equal to tan pi by 4. Tan 2x is equals to tan pi by 4. Now write its general solution. So from the first one, x is equal to n pi by 4. This is your first solution, and here 2x is equals to n pi plus pi by 4, and x is equal to n pi by 2 plus pi by 8 for all n belongs to I. So in this way we solve the problem. After the end of class, I will give you as usual some more problem from solution of trigonometrical equation, and I hope you will submit it the same day. Thank you. Next day we will solve some more problems. Thank you.